Pay attention, you wonderful people. It can be hard to stay awake in the crypto market. Believe me, I breathe crypto every single day. XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, you name it, I'm looking at it. I study it 7 days a week, and I don't take any days off all year. You guys see that I post at least one video every day, and I'm really tired from what I'm going to talk about in today's video. Before I start, I want to say that I love and respect you all so much. But there's one thing I see in the crypto space, and I'm sure it's true in other investment places too. People buy things, hold on to them, and put their money into them. Is it true that people are very impatient and people start to think that their portfolios will grow very quickly? Some people think that the price of XRP will reach $10,000 0 cents this week. There are real people out there who really think that XRP will reach $10,000 0 cents per coin during this wave of growth. Okay, that kind of thing does exist. It's clear that different people have different views, and not everyone is like this, but I've noticed that a lot of new people in the crypto space are very impatient, right? They only remember what happened in the last few months. The deal is this. I believe this is true whether you're talking about crypto, the stock market, or real estate. Don't think that any of these places will help you get rich quickly. You won't get rich quick in crypto. You won't get rich quick by investing in stocks. You won't get rich quick in the real estate market. Still, you have a very good chance of succeeding if you use basic methods that have been used for a long time and have been shown to work. In fact, it's very hard to lose money in a lot of these places if you regularly use the information that's available, do things the right way, and look at past trends. Really, really hard. Of course, you won't have this much information when you're first starting out. You won't know which answers are right and which are wrong. So when you first start investing, you're probably going to lose some money. Some people give up there. They lose some cash, say, this isn't for me. My life is going on. It does that all the time. For those who stay and have patience, they know that it doesn't happen fast and that they won't be successful right away. And those are the people who really, really do well. I would now like to show you something that proves what I mean, okay? On the bit unique maps, we're scrolling all the way back to 2022 on this chart. Okay, so let's say in 2022, this was the last day of the bull run in April. On BitUnix, this is the farthest back you can go. The exchange of data on that was a huge drop, okay? XRP went from being worth many dollars a coin at the height of that run, going down very quickly in just a few months to about 30 cents a coin. Okay. Also, a lot of people were saying that crypto was dead at this point. When XRP was worth 29 cents, people asked, then why am I here? It's over. That being said, we saw XRP's price almost double very quickly, right? And then it traded sideways for months, sometimes for as long as 8 months. Then there were days when it would almost double in price, which is a 73% rise. Just to give you an example, right? It then stayed in a range of prices for several months, and it even went back down to its low point in the 30-cent range. And yes, it was more than 1 year. Okay, you can see about 23 right here, all the way through 24. During this whole time, XRP did not make any big moves. Look at this, please. For more than a year, they didn't move either way. Trading has been pretty much flat for the past year and a half. A few times there might have been some good price action, but you would almost always correct back down to the same price you were at before, right? People hadn't seen anything big for a couple of years, and then all of a sudden there was a boom, right? Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. I promise that at least 60% of the people watching this video right now were not at this point in time buying any kind of cryptocurrency like XRP, Solana, or Bitcoin. And the other 40% of you didn't buy as much as you probably should have, given how much it costs now, right? During the 2 years when XRP was trading between 30 and 50 cents per coin, though, there was a very small group of people, maybe less than 10%, who regularly bought, right? And those are the people who became very wealthy, right? People who regularly saved and invested the money they earned at work and didn't waver in their resolve were the ones who did very well. There's no doubt about it. This is still true before 2022. This was correct during the bear market from 2018 to 2021. This was correct during the bear market from 2022 to 2024. We're also in a bull run right now, right? and most of the people watching this video right now are joined here. So they just got into XRP between January and July. It turns out that most of the people who watch my videos haven't been watching this kind of content for more than 6 months, right? So most people don't get this battle of the past couple of years. Right now, XRP was going sideways, and it wasn't clear if it would ever really rebound. That's all something you know, right? Most people don't get how hard that is. During that whole time, I was making movies every single day, right? That being said, it's all out there. That's what I've been making for a very long time. And yes, nothing had changed for me, even though the charts had shown me to be right all those years. There's no change. I'm still going to make movies every day. So I know some of you guys can't wait for it to happen. You want it to happen now. Quick, quick, quick. What about $20, 0 cents XRP? Do you want that? I see what you mean. I get it. Everyone wants that to happen, but it doesn't always happen when you think it will. And when it does, most people weren't patient enough, which is why it did happen. Right? So that's basically why big things can happen. Like right now in 24, the reason XRP went from, I don't know, 38 cents, the price went from maybe a little lower to right now at 62 cents in very little time. It's because a lot of people are selling at the same time and not many people are buying, right? It's unfair that so many people are buying and selling in the market. That means that when there is a turnaround, the selling pressure stops, right? When suddenly a lot of buying pressure comes in, the price will go through the roof very quickly. Institutions love to do this because they know it will have a huge effect on the price. Also, when stores start to panic and buy off of the original pump, as we can see here, that's when institutions say, okay, we're going to dump our bags. We're going to make the profit because stores promoted it. This means we can now make a big bag, right? It's like this is their only job because they do it every time. All day, they look at the markets and try to use your feelings against you. You name it, fear, uncertainty, and fear of missing out, FOMO, are strong emotions that lead people to make terrible market choices. And people take advantage of that. And this is the same, right? Right. I just want to show you what I'm doing. As you can see by all of these red dates and candlestick daily days, I'm buying, right? And these huge green days are when I sell. These huge green days are great for buying and selling. These huge green days are great for buying and selling. The tactics I'm using are pretty much the same as these institutions are using. And yes, I am making a lot of money from it. During a time when prices have been staying the same, ours has not moved at all. We've been between $220, 0 cents, and $1.60, then back up to $230, 0 cents. We've been doing this every day without fail since about 4 or 5 months ago, right? Just over and over. It happens over and over and over again. Don't mind if I just hold the XRP at this time. It seems like nothing is going on for me, right? You can see why people are getting antsy, right? Nothing changes if you hold XRP and don't do anything with it. It's possible that the most XRP you bought was $2, 0 cents. The number 220 is really cool.